Hello everyone, I'm Nusrat here. So today I will talk about one of the AI job opportunity, which is work from home. And let me introduce you to this legit platform, which is dataannotation.tech. So as I said, it's a work from home AI job opportunity where people like us, sometimes it requires coding, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's good enough to be just bilingual. So here, what people generally from people who are bilingual, they generally do data annotation or data labeling job. Now, this is available in different languages. Let it be Spanish or English, Turkish, or any language. So you can apply on this website to train AI models. And as if I talk more about this platform, it generally connects um, people like you and me with the companies that are generally building and training AI models. And I think it's the process is very simple. As you can see, you have apply now button here. So you can click on apply now and it says earn thousands working at the edge of artificial intelligence. They pay really well. If you see, there are two options. If you are a bilingual, you can click on this and it will give you an hour assessment to finish. And if you know coding, then as you can click here and it will take you to a different page. Let me show it to you. So yeah, if you know coding, it will take you to a different platform. And here you can again click on apply now. And you can continue with an hour assessment. And then the thing is that they might take some time to reply. So while I was reading about the reviews of this company, it has a 3.9. So 79% of people would recommend this to their friends. And as I was referring to it, one of the drawback which I found most of the people have complained about is that they do not respond. Now, because they get so many applications that they do not respond to each and every one of us. So you have to apply, be patient, continue searching for another job. And if they like your profile, let it be for data labeling or for coding, they will contact you. Now, one more thing is that let's talk about wages. Let's talk about pay, which is very important. So, for a bilingual person who doesn't know coding, they generally, the pay scale starts from $20 an hour. And if you know coding, if you know artificial intelligence, then the pay rate can go to even $200 from $20. So I think it's a good opportunity for people, for anyone who is either a bilingual or has good communication skills. What else? Sometimes, yeah, as I said, if you know coding, then you can get projects for training large language models. So that is for people who have a coding background. And what let's talk about some of the requirements. First is that your communication skills, English should be good. You should have internet access. You should have either a computer or a laptop. So I think this is a fantastic opportunity. The website is dataannotation.tech. The process is pretty simple, but do not expect a response immediately. Yeah, you can go through more details about this website. I will leave a link of this in the description. And in case if you have any more questions about this, please let me know. So this is just one of the many job opportunities related with AI job that I'm covering today. So some will need technical skills and others won't. And I will try to break down them as clearly as I can, which includes where to apply, how much they pay, and what to expect from them, along with the feedback of the employees. So if you're serious about earning from AI revolution, I would request you that you like this video, subscribe it, and please let me know if you have any more doubt or questions. Thank you so much. I'll soon post some other AI job vacancies. Bye, take care.